Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix app not working issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library and click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app, click on profile icon and click on manage apps and device. After click on manage app and device, click on update and you will see select app from here. After select app and click on update. After update apps, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps and you will see apps not working. So select app and click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on software update. Download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix app not working issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.